Hi guys, it's Katherine with Delisle Properties, and today I'm going to be taking you to the brand new park that just opened in downtown Greenville called Unity Park. So the amazing thing about Unity Park is that its purpose was to signify a connection of multiple communities within the downtown area and the outskirts. They really wanted to make sure that they started the trend of connecting multiple communities together and creating common usable pedestrian and urban use spaces. The developers of Unity Park were extremely careful about how they went about creating this spot, so they asked all of the members of this Southern Side community in Greenville to come together and give them input about how the park should be built, what they'd like to see in it, and hosted multiple barbecues where residents could show up and ask questions and voice their concerns. Another amazing thing about the project of Unity Park is its emphasis on affordable housing. Affordable housing is a really big issue in Greenville right now because Greenville is growing so quickly that residents here want to make sure it doesn't become unaffordable for locals. And this whole project is really helping with the effort of affordable housing because Unity Park has dedicated all the surrounding areas of the park to affordable housing development. The park is very conveniently located right outside of the heart of downtown Greenville along the Swamp Rabbit Trail. And this park has all of the amenities you could ever ask for. They have an amazing new playground that they just built that's perfect for families to come and enjoy. They also have several shady areas where you can lay out picnic blankets and enjoy a picnic with your friends or family. And if you want, you can also bring your kids to the brand new splash pad, which is going to be so fun for them and for you if you want to cool off. So there you have it. Unity Park in Greenville just opened a week or two ago, and it's going to be a great resource for the community. I think there are already so many people that have turned out to come and play on the playgrounds and take advantage of the beautiful green space. So if you guys are looking for a place to hang out this summer and just have some fun with friends and family, definitely check this out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more from us, check out our YouTube channel at Delisle Properties, and you can also find us on Facebook and Instagram at Delisle Properties as well. And thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time.